Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use your phone as a webcam for your PC and set it up on OBS for streaming. If you want to know how, stay tuned. So if you don't have a high-end webcam or you don't have a webcam at all, but you have that old smartphone that has been laying there for a while, well, you can use it now as a high-end quality webcam for your streams. Almost every smartphone now comes with a great camera, which would be for sure better than most webcams out there, plus it's wireless. All you need to do is to install a free app on your phone and its client on PC or Mac. The phone app is called RYYZN X, and make sure you install the one with the X, and I will tell you why later in the video. After that, go to the link in the description below to download and install the PC client. But now let's set it up on OBS Streamlabs. At any scene you have, just add a source video capture device. Now you can see that our app has already been detected by OBS. Then we need to connect the PC client to the phone. You can connect through Wi-Fi or USB, and to connect through Wi-Fi, both phone and PC have to be connected to the same network. When you open the phone app, you will see the phone IP address. Simply, you need to type that IP address in PC client and click Start. And of course on OBS you can move, resize and edit the source, but also from the PC client itself, and that's why I told you to get the X version. You can control the camera, you can turn the flash on or off, focus, rotate, zoom and mirror the video. And if you use a green screen in your streams like I do, you can simply add a chroma key without any issues. Just right click on the source, filters, add a filter, and from filter types choose chroma key and click done. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If it was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.